Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a unique welding positioner, 46-inch square faceplate. I cannot find a tag on it to give you the exact weight capacity. From its size, I would say about a 4,000 pound. It's T-slotted. We have some T-slot bolts in there for it. You see a little oil on the base there. It's nothing more than this fitting on the gearbox. When this was laying flat in the shop, that fitting leaked, so we're going to take it out, clean the threads, put thread tape on it and seal it back up. See the control looks good inside. Someone had upgraded the contactors and the speed control. Here's your pendant. Currently wired for high voltage, but all the wiring diagrams in there to flip it for low voltage. Put it. Slow it down. Reverse. So it works fine. Keep it flat in the shop so we can pile stuff on it. All flat surfaces in here become a shelf. But there you have it. Good clean welding positioner. It's at its low position at the moment, which puts it about 4 foot off the floor. Out flat, there's plenty of adjustment there, so you can come up at least another foot, foot and a half, possibly 2 foot. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's M-U-L-L-I-N machinery.com for all your toolroom and fabricating needs. Check it out. We have other welding positions on there up to 25 ton.